Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to convert a Word document to a Google document. So converting a Word document to a Google Doc is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to collaborate with others or take advantage of Google's features. Let's dive right in and learn how to make this seamless transition. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. So once you are in the Google Docs website, please sign in. So if you're not already signed in to your Google account, go ahead and do so. Once you're in the Google Docs, please click on the large plus sign. This will create a new blank document. Now go to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Open. So a window will pop up allowing you to choose the file you want to convert. So we will upload a file and then look for this one, a Word document, then open. So after you've selected your Word document, a new window will appear. So here, the Word document is already converted to the Google document. And as you can see, Google Docs created a new document based on your Word file. Take a moment to review the converted document. Sometimes formatting may need a little adjustment due to differences between Word and Google Docs. Make any necessary edits to ensure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. You now know how to convert a Word document to a Google document. This skill can save you time and make collaboration with others smoother than ever. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to convert a Word document to a Google document. Remember, the digital world is all about making tasks simpler and more efficient. See you on my next video.